can show it.
Broken in the same position on the other side, but it's not as bad.
These were way worse. These were actually really
Dude actually took the engine out of this truck to do exhaust manifold. No, he didn't. He actually, I made him change his shirt so I could do the video. Why are you using such big washers?
This is what we.
Well, I would bet you I could find smaller washers.
We have a stain.
Right here in Caleb's parts box.
Yeah, funny guy. The washers are probably bigger because I only have truck washers.
Another torn down Honda manual trans.
I'm gonna bet it needs diff.
Everybody's probably like, oh, it's gonna stick to the cylinder head. It'll break off of aluminum first before steel.
He's got a 4.3 in his Silverado right now, so now he's got a 5.3 to go in.
We're bored to death. Come get your car fixed.
4.3 knocking V6 to, and everything should bolt up.
I would laugh so fucking hard if this nonsense first started.
It knocks.
It'll definitely not probably sound too happy, but that's about it.
It'll smoke.
Yeah.
Actually, didn't you get new piston rings for this?
Yeah, only on one cylinder.
So this motor's this is gonna be a 500 mile or 500,000 miles.
I mean, you can check the compression. Bolt the starter up, run it, put a compression gauge in there. If you want to be legit.
I don't think it'll be down on compression. I
It's
think
not. It makes it already.
I don't expect it to be down on compression. I expect it to the oil
Nah.
retaining rings.
Nah, there we go. Broke right off. This was the worst one.
When you feel it start to break, start to turn it in.
See, I make
Well, I couldn't tell.
I make a stud out of the recessed stud and then weld a washer to it and then pull it.
So, yeah, but look how deep that is.
That doesn't bother me whatsoever. You already back cut the cylinder head.
Saying tap it up with the welder, build the weld up, and then weld the stud, and then weld the washer to it.
Build that up with weld.
That's how I do it.
That's the only way to do it. I don't know what sometimes I just gotta let you fall on your face and then we'll pick you back
I did
up.
the other three that way and it worked just fine. So.
Yeah, if they're not all the way inside the head.
This one was all the way in the head.
Yeah.
That one's in there further than that one.
Yeah. The other side, one was flush.
When they're flush, it's easy. When they're not flush,
One was flush and then one was...
Like barely sticking out or barely.
No, the one was barely sticking out. The next one was in, but...
you're gonna blow up all your sensors welding on this engine.
What sensors?
That's not true.
What sensors?
All the nonsense people out there that say the stupid shit that we do here, like, I don't know, I've welded on thousands of engines and never had issues. Now, I've known dum-dums to weld right on oxygen sensors, not our dum-dums, but dum-dums in the business and blow them out.
I was going to say, that is a no-no.
I've actually welded on engines and it was enough to make the injectors pulse. And when you start it up, it had a little enrichment.
Okay.
If that's weird or not.
What do you mean weird?
Like, I've welded on thousands of engines, and when you go to do an LS, does it ever run rich when you start it up? No. But some cars that have, I guess, low impedance injectors, I guess, that the voltage that you're adding through the system makes them jitter and drain the injectors. The high impedance stuff doesn't seem like it has that issue, ever.
It's just an impedance thing, not even like a...
the Boneyard Brawler. Is that what you're going to call this one?
Yeah.
And this has a Howard's turbo cam in it, repurposed. The country music reflects my mood here today. Surprised there isn't more suicides from country music.
There we go. Just need a little love. I mean, pretty much everything on this motor has been repurposed. The only thing that's really new is the bearings.
Push rods, head bolts,
Push rods.
head gaskets,
Yeah, that's the obvious one-use item.
new motor mounts.
Those came with the motor.
Oh,
I didn't buy them. No. I'm gonna use them until they decide to blow up. Because that's what GM motor does.
we're so bored here. You go from slam busy to
$45,000 week
Ghost Town.
to